We'll guide you through how to reset your keyboard if it's not working. You can follow this on a PC or laptop, also in Windows 10 or 11, it doesn't matter. So this can be really annoying if it's not working, as you're then unable to use it. It may just go and be certain keys, or you may go and find that it's the entire keyboard. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about fixing it by resetting it. Make sure it's full guide and don't skip anything, so you're going to go and know how. Now, it's important to note there is one thing I want you to go and check, because you may go and find that it's been locked. And so we can go and get it working by unlocking it. We're still going to show you how to go and reset it, but I think this setting is important to go and check. So what you want to do is you want to come down to the bottom here and you want to go and find the start button. So what you want to do is go and click on it. This will go and pop up. And then what you need to do is go and find settings. You may need to go and press show all in the top right, but you should be able to go and see it. Here we are. So in settings, what we need to do is go and find accessibility to the right and go and click on it. Then in here, you want to go and find the option for, or section I should say, for interaction. And you want to go and find keyboard. Click there. Now what you need to do is you want to go and find filter keys. If this is turned on, this is going to go and stop the keyboard from working. So you can go and make sure it's switched off. And when you click on it, you can also go and turn off the shortcut, because otherwise you can accidentally go and turn it on. Go and see if that solves it. Otherwise, let's get into the reset. So to go and do this, what you need to do is come down and you want to go and find the Windows Start button here. You want to go and right click on it. Then in here, you want to go and find Device Manager, and you want to go and click there like this. This will then go and open up. You want to come to the left and find the option for keyboards. Go and click on the left of it to go and expand it. You should then go and find your keyboard here. Go and select it. What you can do is go and right click on it and you can go and press Update Driver. You then want to go and do a update here. So you can press Browse My Computer for Drivers, press Let Me Pick from a list, and you can go and select it. Go and press Next. Then that will go and run through. You can go and press Close. It will say here about doing a restart, but you can press No. Go and see if that solves it. Sometimes it can. If it doesn't, then what you can try doing is right clicking on it. And let me go make sure you right click on the keyboard. And then we're going to go and uninstall the device. So press there. You can then confirm a decision. You want to uninstall it by pressing uninstall. And now we're going to perform a restart. So you can go and press yes here. Otherwise, if you press no, it doesn't matter. You can press the Windows Start button at the bottom. Then come over to the right and press the power button, and you can go and press restart. Now we can go and wait for this to go and restart. So we've now gone and removed it. And then what we're going to be doing now is reinstalling it by the restart. So go and wait. It shouldn't go and take too long. It's gone black, but shortly we should go and see it boot again. And hope this goes and resolves it. As I said before, it's really hard to go and properly use your laptop without the keyboard working. So hopefully this goes and solves it. Here we are, it's now booting, as you can see, and Windows should go and load. Shouldn't be much longer, and here we are, as you can see. We can then go and click. Now what you can try doing here is you can try entering in your password. Hopefully the keyboard will go and work. Now, if you still find it doesn't, you can see mine is though, but if you find that it doesn't, as a last resort, you can go and press on accessibility in the bottom right, and you can go and switch on the on-screen keyboard. So this will just go, and I click off here. This will just go and allow you to go and access your computer. Hopefully the problem is resolved, but as a worst case, you can go and use that there. And you can then go and type in what you need to. But yeah, hopefully we can go and resolve it without having to go and use the on-screen keyboard. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again.